looks like the war on Scientology is not going to be ending anytime soon. Come to think of it, it might take a long time before it ends. Do you know how long it actually takes for it to end? How many battles need to be fought? How many wars need to be won? How many Scientologists need to escape? How many people need to escape from the cult themselves? And how many lawsuits there are? Couldn't even knock them on. And collect Carr, that motherfucker. And all those other top level ones that just won't quit, including David piss-ass motherfucker Miscavige. You can imagine how painfully obvious it actually is. Yes. Do you know that he is in such full of shitness that he is going to be falling apart? He is going to be screwed right up? Do you know that? I guess you do. I hope you do. Because that war is still going on. Ever since people have started leaving the cult. Right up until Anonymous joined in. And way beyond that. Even up to now. There is still protests going on. There is still people leaving the cult. There is still people speaking out. There is still disconnection. There is still fair game policy, which is OSA, who is doing that occasionally. And there is also Scientology, using Xenu and all that, to turn people literally into fucking sociopaths. That's the worst part. And the worst part is there's actually sociopaths turning them into Scientologists, which is even much, much, much worse. I mean, it's much worse. It's terrible. It's obscene. I am sick of seeing that. Very sick of seeing that happening. Carr, you better be watching your back. David Miscavige, you better be watching your ass. And every bit of Scientologist out there, you better be watching yourself carefully. Because we are everywhere. We are right beside you, behind you, around you, inside you. In your house, outside your house, we are your neighbors, we are everywhere, we are nowhere. We are one, we are all. We are anyone, we are no one. We are anonymous, we are legion. We do not forgive, we do not forget. Expect us. That's all I need to say. The war on the cult of Scientology needs to be completed. Scientology needs to get fucking destroyed. As the original goal of Anonymous is, let's destroy those motherfuckers. Destroy the cult. It is not a motherfucking church. The church doesn't work. The bridge is a motherfucking lie. Realize it. Thank you.